Hey, welcome back to Crypto Gains for another video. Guys, gonna show you another video on Glassnode. I got a powerful chart over here called the balanced price, and I'm gonna break it down with you, show you what this does, what it kind of resembles to me, and what it looks like we can do with this chart. If it sounds interesting to you, drop that like. Give me a subscribe if you're new watching. Why do I like Glassnode? Because it shows us on-chain data analysis that we cannot find anywhere else in the crypto space. If we had no exchanges that were working, we could see loads of things that happen off the exchange on Glassnode, and that's why it's powerful. And millionaires are using it. They're turning £1,000 into £1 million just by looking at charts like this. Do I have your attention? Did I say it? Drop that like, give me a subscribe. Before I go any further, I need to let you know this is not financial advice. Please do your further research before you invest your money. Let's break this down. So what does the balanced price mean? You can see this orange line here, which is the balanced price, and then we've got the gray line, which is the Bitcoin price. Let's scroll down. What I like about Glassnode is it gives us a little bit of info about the indicator that you're using. It says balanced price is the difference between realized price and transfer price. Transfer price is the cumulative sum of coin days destroyed in USD, adjusted by circulating supply and total time since Bitcoin's inception. Balanced price attempts to detect major cycle bottoms. This is why I'm showing you this. Let me say it again. Major cycle bottoms. I've been saying to you in most of my Glass videos now, you should be watching YouTubers that are trying to show you videos of where the bottom may be. If you've got YouTubers out there that hasn't even once spoken about maybe at the potential bottom of this crypto space, then why are you watching them? Because at the end of the day, like, if you're watching a YouTube and you're trying to get some guidance on if you should be buying or selling, or even though it's not financial advice for us to give to you, you still want to be seeing videos of where the bottom of the market is, because that gives you good, huge chance to make some serious gains, because you buy at the bottom and you sell at the top. And that's what I've been doing. I'm trying to show you guys where I think the bottom is, prepare you guys way in advance to be buying crypto like a boss, making absolute insane gains, turning those $100 into $100,000, turning those $1,000 into £1 million. Let's take a look, or $1 million. This metric was created by David Puel. I think I said your surname right. Big up to you. And it gives us a little article if you want to read more. But what do I like about this? Like I said, it looks for major cycle bottoms. I was going to say bottom cycles. Either way. And you can see here, it's pretty much been accurate. So damn accurate that I'm thinking I need to start watching this more. And I tell you what, if you're a patron of mine, you're going to see this. You're going to see alerts on this daily. Well, I'm going to try and give you alerts on this relevant to its daily bottoms and when it's going back up. But when it touches this orange line, you're going to see the alerts, okay? What I'm saying is I'm trying to give my patrons a lot of Glassnode analysis now, videos, and because this is like insider work, like you're seeing insider information, like looking for like the FBI, the government. This is like insider info that you don't get anywhere else. And I'm going to be giving you this as daily as I can, essentially as daily as I can, because I think as daily as I can. Does it make sense? Well, you know what I mean. As often as I can. If I can daily, great. Because if this chart is going to keep showing us stuff daily, then I'm going to present it to you. But there's many different things that you can see in Glassnode that people can't see when you get the tier. Because you can buy certain tiers. I bought the higher tier, unlocks all these things, and people can see it, right? So let's just break this down a bit more. And if you don't want to miss this and you want to get, constant daily alerts on Glassnode analysis, that's what I was trying to say, come over to my Patreon. I've got 7 tiers. The link is in the info on any of my videos, in this video. So click here, become a patron. I'm seeing people coming in. I got 10% off if you want to be with me for the year, right? I seriously recommend. You need my exclusive VIP partner tier or above to get these Glassnode analysis indicators and charts and videos. But I'm telling you now, with just the last few Glassnode videos, check my YouTube channel, because YouTube is, viewers of the YouTube can see them. But if you want to be up to date on them constantly, check them. You'll see. You'll be pleasantly surprised what it can show you, and it won't let you down. These charts are going to tell you exactly when to buy and sell at perfect times. Become a patron. 7 tiers, take your pick. Real quick, I've got a super alert tier. It gives you access to my VIP Telegram group. We are discussing things over there that people don't see. If I'm going to buy something, I talk about it before I buy it. This sort of stuff happens over here, and then then we get buy alerts over there. So if you want those super alerts, come over here. Anyway, let's move forward back onto this. Let's have a look. I'm going to squeeze this in. right? Let's just squeeze it in. Let's just take a look at what I mean by this chart, right? So on the left-hand side, we see price action in gray begin, you know, have a little cycle top. The orange line, which is the balanced price, look at what it does, right? Every time the price, the Bitcoin price, and you can use Bitcoin, this relates to any crypto, because you know when Bitcoin falls, the rest of the altcoins fall with it. But you want to look for where the bottom is for Bitcoin, because when Bitcoin bottom is in, then most of the altcoin bottoms are going to be in as well, right? Because it's like flushing out the market. When it breaks this line, this orange line, usually that represents the bottom, like you're coming into the bottom of the cycle, right? Or if it touches it, if it touches this orange line or breaks below it, you're looking at a market bottom, right? Major bottom cycles. This is what this is about, right? So in this sense, this is where it was back in 2012, 2013? Yeah, 2011, 2012, sorry, because it's still got all this area here. So, you know, 2011, 2012, this cycle here, you can see this was the bottom. If we move forward, look, you see a massive rally up. I don't care about the rallies. I'm looking for bottoms. Let's have a look at where the next bottom is, because this is calling it so damn precise. Look at the next bottom. Every time we've seen a bear market, and this is the whole of Bitcoin's history, when we've seen a bear market, the bottoms of the market have always come right down to this orange line. Look, market cycle top came straight down to this orange line. This was the major bottom of this cycle. See it right here? All of this area. So what am I getting at? You can seriously make absolute insane gains if you're keeping an eye on this chart, because you'll know exactly when to buy crypto, and that's what this is about, knowing when to buy. And you know, you can dollar cost average on the way if you like. Cool, great, this is what I do. But the cycle bottoms, this is showing you it's spot on. Let's take a look at 2018 cycle. Look, we see a massive rally up. Show me the bottom, because this is what I want to know. Where's the bottom? Look at where the bottom was. This is calling it so damn precise. Look at this. Look, it comes straight down to this orange line, calls the market cycle bottom. Where are we today? This is what you're wondering. Where are we today? Let's shimmy forward, see where we are today. Well, right now, today, this is where we are. We're nowhere near the bottom. According to this, where is the bottom? Well, according to this, it's got to keep it real. We could see Bitcoin come right down to $18,900, and that could very well be the bottom for Bitcoin. Now, is it going to happen? I don't know. Time will tell. But, you know, if it's going to follow what this is doing, the balanced price, and again, I just need to prepare you. This is what this is about, preparing you for the bottom, getting yourself a great opportunity to buy when it comes, because if it comes down there, my God, millionaires will be made just by watching this chart. And I'm telling you now, I'm watching this chart, and my patrons of my exclusive tiers and higher will be watching this chart with me, and millionaires will be made. It's that simple. Because whilst everybody sees it dropping to 18,000, they're panicking, they're selling. We ain't selling nothing. I'm sitting back. This is a buyer's market. I'm buying like a boss. And when it goes down to here, I'm going to be buying. Like, seriously buying. So maybe what you can do, you know, and this is not investment advice, right? But maybe what you can do, right, is maybe put some money aside. Hold it. Again, not financial advice. Hold it. Wait for this 18K. Because if this $18.9 thousand comes in, what's it going to do to the rest of the market? We could see some seriously cheap prices, right? Like I said, I've been buying now, just in case it has a quick rally up. Sell it, take some profits, hold it, wait for that dip. But we really, you know, this is another scenario that can happen. Bitcoin could reverse right now, go straight up to like $50,000, $60,000, and then come crashing down to this 18,000. But I just want to keep you prepared for it. Right now, if you look where it says the orange dot balanced price, it says 18,900. We've always seen it come down to the orange line every single time in a bear market. Be prepared. That's all I'm saying. Be prepared. That's what this video is for. I want to show you a price that you can take with you now, and you can decide what you want to do with your crypto. I'm telling you what I'm doing. I ain't selling a damn thing. I don't care if it goes to zero, fine, I got nothing. But I don't believe that. I believe in long-term holds. You know, I'm a long-term investor, 5 to 10 years. You know, you can invest in 1 year and then, you know, make a little quick 20, 30, maybe 50 grand, 100 grand if you're lucky. But if you want them millions, like seriously life-changing money, you want to hold long-term. And that's what I'm waiting for. If this falls to 18.9K, how can I be so damn precise? Chart showing it. If it falls to 18.9K, I'm going to be buying like a boss. And I want you to as well. So let's see what happens as time goes on. Like I said, I can't tell you when this is going to happen. We might see a relief rally first and then it happens, I don't know, or it might just come crashing straight down. If it does, at least now you know 18.9k is what this is saying at the time of recording this video. If the 18.9k changes dramatically, I'm going to bring you another video. Well, my patrons will see another video of where it is. I might drop it on YouTube, we'll see. But patrons are definitely going to see videos and images of this when this price changes dramatically. Right now it's 18.9, $18,900. Guys, I'm going to leave it here. If it was helpful to you, please drop that like. Give me a subscribe if you're new watching. Become a patron. Don't miss out on powerful Glassnode charts like this that can seriously set you up for greatness. You know, take small bits of money like this and turn it into huge chunks like this, instead of buying up here, not knowing what you're doing, and then selling down here at a loss. Okay, that's what this is about. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Cheers.